Japanese snack facts. Alright, so in this video we are looking at some snacks I got on Friday when I returned to one of my schools. This is from today is Wednesday, so this is from Wednesday at my second school. I got all of these snacks right here since summer vacation is over. Umaibo. So this is called Umaibo. Umai. I've never seen this red one before, but these are some of the better snacks that I actually do like here in Japan. This has quite a few flavors, but I mostly prefer the cheesy one that comes in like full white, almost full white. Looks similar to this, or the corn flavored one. It just reminds me of a Jamaican snack, so I prefer the Umaibo that is almost identical to this one. And these are some snacks again that I got since the new semester of school started. I already ate some, but this is a mixture from both schools.